Hello, my name is Aditya Bayu Putranto. I am Associate Technical Advisor at Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today, we will learn about how to fine-tuning SSID at Virtual Smart Zone. Why this is needed. So, this this step is needed to it's to us to get best radio and best signal in our device, and it's enable us to get a high throughput at our device. And the prerequisite of about this activity is we must already our access point must already broadcasted SSID. So let's get to the access point. In here, we already created domain Rakas test and zone Rakas zone. In here, we must select configuration, and we should wait a couple of seconds. Okay, in here, we need to configure country code. If you live in your country, it's a country between country is different regulation. And then the channel for 2.4 gigahertz in Indonesia is only channel 1 and channel 6 and channel 11. So we must uncheck the other channel. And for 5G channel, we can select all. And then the channelization is 20 megahertz. And I already create the video about this fine tuning, but in not in SmartZone, but in Unleash. But I think it's the same. And the channel is auto, and here I suggest the TX power is 1/8. So why this needed? Because our device, the transmit signal is not so good, so I need this channel, this TX power is 1/8 is because so the device is get the best signal from the nearest access point, and the far away access point our device cannot get the signal. So in 5 gigahertz is also the same. And auto channel selection I suggest is turned off, and the background scanning I suggest also turned off. And then okay, I think it's enough. So just click OK. And it's done. And wait, there's 2 alarm in this access point. The access point is reboot by system because country code change. The country code change can reboot the access point. Okay, I think it's finished, it's done, and I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.